Well, I got an email that came in from Joe in Conroe. Jim, how do I decide who to use? I've got 3 bids. One looks professional. One never even bothered to write it down. And the other one gave it to me just on a piece of paper. I need to decide which contractor to use. The one who gave me a written estimate costs more than everybody else. Please help. Well, I can tell you why they cost more. They know what the heck they're doing. They know what their service is worth, and they know what it takes to do the job right. That's the reason they wrote it up to begin with. These fly-by-night suitcase contractors who won't even invest in their own business enough to have a professional form to give you an estimate, do you really want them working on your house? Something you're going to be looking at from this day forward? Kind of like the wedding thing. But you don't. You want to make sure you're hiring people who are professional and know what they're doing. And granted, that's not the only thing you need to look at. Hey, do they have a piece of paper for the bid? No, the other things you want to look at is, do they have an office? For me, that's huge. Anybody who doesn't spend enough on their business to have an office probably isn't going to be in business all that long. Do they carry insurance? Always check on the insurance, because I can guarantee you the companies who are carrying general liability and workers' comp, they are going to cost more than companies who aren't carrying insurance. I mean, quite frankly, I run into this all the time with Due West. There is always somebody who will do it for less. The question is, do you want it done by them? Because if they can't do all the insurance, they can't have an office, they can't do this, that, and the other thing, can they actually do the job? That's what it comes down to. Do they have the wherewithal to get the job done right? So I would highly recommend actually the one who gave you a written estimate to check them out further and go with that one. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.